I want to take a look at the key information that you need to know about any crowdfunding opportunity. The first question to ask is, what platform is the crowdfunding opportunity on? So which platform have they gone to? And this will obviously depend whether it's a rewards based, a donation based, a peer-to-peer lending based, or indeed an equity based crowdfund. Then you want to understand the stage that the business is at. In some of the rewards crowdfunding campaigns, the company has only got a prototype. If you go to equity crowdfunding campaigns, they tend to be somewhat more developed and they actually have a product. So instead of being at the stage where the product is being proven, these companies are really looking for expansion capital, and it's really important to understand the stage the business is at. Understand too where the company is located. Now, it doesn't stop you from investing internationally, but it can have repercussions for your ability to take advantage of tax breaks. And it also has an impact on whether you actually want to go and see the company, to visit them. And obviously, if they're in California and you're in London, that's going to be difficult. Check the date that the campaign is due to start or has started, because these campaigns typically run for 30 days and you need to understand how much time you've got to make a decision. Very important to understand too the amount of the raise. How much money are they trying to raise? And you'll therefore get some idea, particularly if the campaign's already started, at how successful they're being, because you'll also be able to see how much money they've raised up to that point. And allied with that, what percentage of the equity, if it is an equity crowdfund, is being offered. And if it's not, if it's just a rewards-based crowdfund, then actually it's just a question of the targets and how close they're getting to them. Going back to the equity one though, however, do understand the valuation on which the crowdfunding campaign has been launched, because that will give you an idea as to whether it's a very high valuation and therefore it's very aggressively positioned, or whether it's a very reasonable valuation. So if you get that number, it'll be very helpful to you. And finally, check to see if you can get any tax breaks, whether you're in the US or in the UK or in Europe or wherever it happens to be. Do you have the opportunity to shelter some of this investment under your own tax returns? So those are just some of the key points you need to understand, and it's the starting point, if you like, for every crowdfunding evaluation. If you'd like to pick up my free introduction to crowdfunding checklist, then just go to the link on the screen, jbdcollie.com/crowdfunding, and I will see you in the next video very soon.